Sendin özge kerekmez Mağı canan aldıda Arzuyum sen dirirsen Ten bölen can aldıda Bir gül iren ayırırsan
A group of French MPs are hoping for a strong and historic decision Thursday when they vote on a text to label the treatment of Uyghur people in Xinjiang as genocide. The resolution, brought by the Socialist Party, denounces forced labour, torture, sexual violence and forced sterilisation of the Muslim ethnic minority.
These elements, now widely documented, testify to an intention to destroy Uyghur identity, community ties, affiliation possibilities and intergenerational ties, and more generally to destroy the Uyghurs, including biologically as a group in their own right.
Several countries have already denounced genocide in Xinjiang, including the Netherlands, the Czech Republic, the US and UK. Human rights groups believe China has detained more than 1 million Uyghurs since 2007.
Men varırmen eyni garım Sen ümit mi üzmegin Düşmenini vur fakat kimgine yürgüzmegin Aldanıp düşmen bilen sen Eyşi işret düzmegin Şumrakka bağlarımның Meyvesin üzgüzmegin Pattiqında tipşarımız Gül gülistan aldıda Emesmen düşmanımның Kanını akuzmısam Hayladım eyvini Köksige takuzmısam Ot seherli neşterige Özünü çakuzmısam Elleyitip yer büşükte Hemmesin yat kuzmısam Şundu mevlamini algım Şahi merdan aldı da